Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2010 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Custom. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2010 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Custom, with 23,186 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control and a multifunction 2-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with a windscreen, headlight visor, LED turn signals, Harley-Davidson grips, 8-inch handlebars, an aquatic AV head unit, an open stage 1 intake, rear fender extension trim, a short antenna, and chrome rider floorboard covers. We have replaced the front and rear tires. Powered by a 96 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Road Glide puts 92 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Road Glide has a 200 to 240 mile range. It has a 27-inch seat height and an 820-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts and installed new front and rear tires. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. An oil seep is noted at the clutch cable, the stator grommet, and the cam cover gasket. We posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's paint cracking on the gauge cluster, and a blemish on the windshield. This bike has 1 key and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.